This is Chamoru History in a Minute with Fanatsu. On January 24, 1972, Sergeant Shoichi Yokoi was found by two Chamoru hunters in the jungles of southern Guam. Yokoi had been stationed in Guam during the Japanese occupation, and like many other Japanese soldiers, rather than surrendering, went into hiding in the island's caves and jungles. By the 1970s, there were still rumors of stragglers. It was assumed that all were now dead. Manuel de Gracia and Jesus Dueñas were checking fish traps in the Talafofo River when they came upon Yokoi. After a brief struggle, they brought him to the police. Yokoi expected to be killed and shamed over his capture, but instead became an international celebrity. Yokoi returned to Guam several times prior to his passing in 1997. Artifacts and photos of him can be found at Jeff's Pirates Cove and also the Hinenauta exhibit at the Guam Museum.